here? What the?
Guys, oh my god, what's that? It's a book.
What's to look at?
Look, are you not at all intrigued at this?
No! You know why? Because a random guy just dropped a book at the foot of the door.
But where would a guy get this from, huh? It's not like a random book you find in England.
At a thrift shop. I don't know, but it's not pizza.
Because of the book? Really? Come on.
It's so awesome.
I want to go.
Okay, let's get some food because we need food. I'm hungry.
I just want to get out of this place.
Let's go get food. Don't eat this. This is not lunch.
My God.
This is not lunch, okay. We need
Where
to
are we
go.
going to go?
Should we go to the subway across the corner?
You want to? I'm in for getting out of this place.
Just because there's a book that showed up on our doorstep, you suddenly leave? Like, that's a little ridiculous.
No, but you can't just like not take it seriously at all.
Okay, definitely much more than just that. Right? Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Much more what?
Anything, there's a lot of possibilities. You never know. There's much inside.
Look out! Look out! Shut the door!
What?
I can't feel the pulse. I can't feel the pulse. I'm calling 911. I'm calling 911.
Why?